Today's video is on how to use everyday objects with your gel press plate to make beautiful collage papers to go into your paintings. My name is Vicki Reed with Paint by Heart. I've got my gel press plate here. This is an 8x10. I've got some papers that I have harvested out of books that I got at the thrift store. I have this paper, which I just found yesterday at the Salvation Army. I mean, what a find. This paper, which has a bug on it, is beautiful. I'm so excited. It was a whole roll of paper for $2.50. Anyway, so keep your eyes peeled. And if you say to me, well, Vicki, I don't have any of that, you can use just copy paper. I also have some rice paper here that's plain. I've got some leaves from my yard. They're fresh. I've got half of a trivet, which is in the honeycomb shape, and some bubble wrap. And I've got some spirals that I just cut out of a Tyvec envelope from the post office. I was going to try to advise you to use parchment paper, which I did here, but I ended up having to spray it with gesso to make it a little more solid, and it's still a little bit floppy. So this Tyvec is actually much better. All right. I'm using a limited palette today. I'm even going to take that out. I've got phthalo green, the golden fluid acrylic phthalo blue, green shade, Indian yellow, quinacridone magenta, and then titanium white and carbon black. All right, let's play. Let's start with, let's get a base print down. Roll it out. I'm going to start with just some base prints, and then we'll play with the shapes. That's pretty. Let's just use a plain sheet of paper. This is the copy paper. Well, it's just like stars in the sky there. All right. Let's make a print. Just going to go straight yellow on this one so that there's a contrast. Okay, set that up again. this one down, and then I'll get a clean brayer and brayer over that. Okay, let's see what we got. Well, that's pretty fun, really pretty. All right, and then let's see what we got for a ghost print. Let's try that on the really dark one here and see what that looks like. Wow, very cool. Okay, now let's get this up here because I'm gonna do the spirals next. Let's do a purple on top of this one here. Okay, so we'll use our spirals in here. Again, I just cut these out of Tyvec. And spiral's just such a fun shape. All right, let's see what this looks like. That's fun. Okay, let's do a ghost print. What do we want that on? Let's do a couple of these papers. Wow, that's interesting. That'll need more, but you know what it's kind of making me think of is that painting with the wave, especially this one. All right, let's do one more. I feel like I want to do something on here, and I'm already really liking that, so I feel like I just want it to be sort of a neutral. So I'm just going to do a little bit of white, or some white and a little bit of black so that it's kind of a gray. Just a touch. And a little bit of the Indian yellow. Let's roll that out and see what it looks like. Still some blue in there. Okay, that's an interesting gray, but I don't want it on this, so let's put a little more yellow in there. Maybe we'll use it for a ghost print. That's kind of cool. Oh, I like that a lot better. All right, let's do that as a base sheet. Oh, that's fun. Okay, then we'll roll this out again. Nothing left on there. We'll just do a light on this one here. Do the leaves again. That one's really a little bit fat for printing. All right. It's okay. We use the big brayer. Let's see what we get. Wow. It's beautiful. Well, I think it's beautiful. Okay, let's just do a little ghosty print on here. Probably my favorite. I like that one. And I like this one a lot with the leaves. So again, you can use leaves, you can use bubble wrap. I forgot to use the trivet. We can use that for next time. And I hope you will join me again for another inspiring video. It's Vicki Reed with Paint by Heart. Talk to you soon. Bye.